Hello guys, B here, and today we're going to be making a Slimline card, and we're going to be using this set, of course, from CC Designs, and this set is in the store and it's called Under the Sea, and I thought it was perfect for a mermaid. I'm going to be using also this die, and it's from Whimsy Stamps, and we're going to be using peacock feathers and seedless preserves. Let's go ahead and get started. So here I have a piece of cardstock for a slimline card that we're going to be making. This measures 3.5 by 8.5. That is the size that I always do my slimlines. I think they are the perfect size. And then here also I have with the bubble die that I show you from Whimsy Stamps. I have cut it in white. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is that I'm gonna glue this down, and I'm trying here not only to save time but also to have the same gradient that we're gonna be doing with these inks. So I'm gonna speed through this part while I glue these down, and I'll see you when we're about to ink. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside and let this glue dry really well so nothing shifts when we're inking, and we're gonna go ahead and start with coloring and inking our stamps. So here I have the set that we're gonna be using. It's the Under the Sea, and it's mermaid is here, so I figure we can use the 3 characters. I'm gonna be stamping with Memento Tuxedo Black Geek, and I'm gonna be coloring with Copic markers. I am also stamping on Hammer Mill 100-pound cardstock. It's my favorite to color with alcohol markers. So here are my 3 images, and I am just gonna set them aside and we're gonna work on our background. Here I have, it's pretty dry. I left it a while because I had to go out. And here I have my 2 inks. I'm using peacock feathers and seedless preserves. So I'm gonna start with the seedless preserves and go up with the peacock feathers, and when they meet in the middle it's gonna create such a beautiful purple. So I'm gonna speed through this part and I'll see you at the end. And here is how it looks, but I feel this needs a little bit something else. So I have this brush pewter distress spray stain, and I am going to splatter a little bit of it. And here's how it turned out. And then with my Wink of Stella brush, I am going to go around the bubbles to add a little bit some extra sparkle. Now it's time to add our images, and I am adding them with a foam tape to erase them. And then my sentiment, I cut it, like I split it into 2 so it would fit better on my card. And here's how the card turned out. I added some sequins from my stash. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Make sure that you join our Facebook group. We have a monthly challenge that you can win a gift card to the shop. I'll see you next time.